Welcome to Private Banking Advisory, your independent support in terms of risk management, performance management, and containing the cost of having your assets managed. It is Monday, the 20th of March, 2023. Officially, we have the spring beginning today, and unfortunately, we cannot say that spring is in the air. Apart from the weather, there is also a major crisis in the financial markets, in the banking world, and also in the asset market in general. Markets are all over the place. It is a bit confusing. Bitcoin is rising, gold is rising, bonds are going up, equities are under pressure. So what should the investor do at the moment? My personal advice would be to stay put, do nothing, and let the markets settle down during the next week or 2 weeks. The next question a lot of people among the investment world are asking themselves is, where shall I have my assets deposited or managed? In particular, this question is relevant for those investors that have accounts with both Credit Suisse and UBS. Again, my advice would be to stay put and see what is going to happen in the near future. Unfortunately, as is the case in most mergers of asset managers and fund managers, the customers are the last consideration in any transaction. Nobody ever gets a benefit or a bonus for staying put when their fund manager or bank is sold. Unfortunately, this will be the same in this particular situation. Is in the terms of merger between UBS and Credit Suisse, to be honest, it's not a merger, it's a takeover or even take under, because the terms are so unfavorable for the shareholders of Credit Suisse, and in particular the bondholders, the subordinated bondholders that get wiped out, that you cannot really call it a takeover or a merger. It is a bit of a surprise that UBS shares are going down so much this morning, because one would have to think that the UBS people got the deal of the century from the regulators and from the Credit Suisse board. I think over time it will turn out to be that a very favorable transaction for UBS. They basically get hundreds of billions of client assets in the private banking unit. They also can have a good look at the assets of Credit Suisse. Don't forget that the nominal book value is nearly 50 billion Swiss francs. Now, even if you apply generous haircuts and put the value of these assets at a much lower level, let's say 20 or 30 billion, there is still a hefty margin of profit to be earned by UBS. So I will keep you posted on the general situation regarding the banking universe and the market universe, and how to make sure that you are not under any undue risk during the next few weeks. Please hit the like button, please subscribe, so that my message gets spread out to a wider public audience. Thank you very much, and bye-bye.